Hello frustrated marketers, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Derby Perez and today we're going to talk about Camtasia 2018. Now the reason why I love Camtasia is because it's one of my hidden secrets that I use on my marketing business. But first, a little bit about me. I love marketers and I love to help marketers. And I help them to become master of the universe and increase their powers, their superpowers. So sit back, relax, and let's go to the lab. Okay, here we are at our lab. Now, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial, quick start guide tutorial about Camtasia. And I just want to really supercharge your business. The first thing you want to know is here on the left hand side. Here's where you have your media. This is where you put all the videos. So let's say, for instance, if you have a video, you could drag and drop here or here really quick, and that's it. Now you could drag it to where you want to start. So let's say, for instance, if there is a drag here and you want to take it out, then you could bring it to where you want to take it out. Right click, split the head, playhead, delete, click and delete, and then drag it over here. That's very, very simple. So at least you get to start how you could clip that video. Same thing at the end. If you want to do that at the end, see over here when you want to take that out and you want to finish where, let's see, where he started.
Marketing consultants, marketing agents.
Okay, so if I want to get it out of here, I'll make sure that I bring it out and I spread the video, and then I could do the same thing, control right click or right click and split the playhead, and you delete it. That's how you clean the back end. Over here is where you drag it, you like condense it, and you make it a little bit clearer for you so you could see where you could edit your different areas of the video, or you could put up different kinds of things in the video. Another thing that I love about Camtasia is right here. Let's say, for instance, you're doing several different videos and you want to name them. What I like to do is, let's say, for instance, I want to say, I'm going to rename it, right click and then rename, and you could put over here, let's say Camtasia. And then you click here, it saves it as Camtasia, which is really, really nice. Okay, that is a great to organize your videos. That's, you could close it or you could open it. Also the same thing with the library. So this is the media storage, and this is the library. This is all different kinds of things that you have over here. Let's say if you want icons or you want intro videos for the introduction, I'm gonna do that for you now. Lower third, in the lower third. So if I want to come over here and do lower third, I could show you. I'll show you that in a second. A motion background. So if you want to do that as well, that's going to be music. They have music now in 2018 Camtasia. They have music, and then outros. This is the outros to the end. Intros is to the beginning. So let's do a couple of different things. If you want to do different kinds of icons, if you want to build icons, okay, you could do this. The funny thing is they just updated it today, October 4th. They updated everything, and they, in fact, I see new things here for the 2018. In fact, they're updating it on I don't want to say on a monthly basis, but they are updating it. This is incredible. So if I come over here and drag it, you could see that you could have different kinds of I guess different kinds of things here. You can make it smaller. You could drag it in the corner, make it smaller, which is really nice. You could pop it over here. So let's say, for instance, if I want to bring it down a little bit and then bring it over here to the bottom, I could do that. Or if you want to, for it to show up both at the same time, you bring it up and match it right here. So guess what? Now you have both of them. So the nice part is that you could bring it and it's going to show you when this matches this, it's going to bring up the little yellow. I really love doing this. If you want to do a lighthouse, same thing. You could drag, drop, and do a lighthouse. And you could do, whoop. When this happens, you do Command Z or Control Z and it comes back. And look at this. It pops right back. So don't get nervous about that. So if you want to do that, you definitely want to do Control Z. If, let's say, for instance, you mess it up, oh my God, what do? You do Command Z and look, it just comes back. So let's say you do this, you do that, and you do this. And you're like, oh my God, I wish I would start again. You do Command Z until you get to where you wanted it to be. So it's pretty darn. So this is definitely really nice if you want to do buildings, if you want to do businesses, if you want to do different kinds of graphs. Really good. Remember to drag it and put it where you want. Whoop, Command Z, drag it, make it small, drag it over here, and you could do really nice stuff over here. You could do calendars, you could do a checklist. So if you're talking some sort about a checklist, guess what? You could pop it up and really make it really nice. Okay, let's see what else. Education. You could do education. You could hit the bullseye, which is really nice. I'll do a Command Z. You could do insurance, media, all different kinds of things that you want to do for your video introduction, or when you're speaking, you could definitely do something like that, which is really nice. Touch for Camtasia. Everything, what I like about this is everything combined into one. It's sort of like a Fiverr, 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 but you're controlling everything. At least you're allowed to do this for yourself. If you're doing some sort of a broadcast, you could do that. You could do any kind of social medias. Universal, very nice. Camtasia really has outdone themselves. Same thing with intro. So let me take these things out and let's talk about intro. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking and deleting, okay. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of an intro, if I want to do sort of like an intro over here, I could do an intro. And check this out, you could just drag it and drop it, and since it's on top, it's gonna show the intro. Or you could bring this over and this could be the first intro, and then you could bring it here. So when it's going, right, I'm gonna play it.
Hi, my name.
And then it goes right into that. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to lower the volume. If it's too loud, you click it here and just bring it down. And you see how the volume goes up and down? You could control that. So if you want to just put music on, guess what? You could mute the volume, or you could make it mono. It's pretty cool. Okay, really nice. Okay, so that's a little tutorial about the intros. You could play around with that. So how did you like that? Unbelievable. Let's recap. You learned transitions. You learned so many different things about Camtasia. I know that is a lot of information and you just got to take it step by step. What I wanted to do is just give you a little taste of Camtasia so you can get an idea exactly what's going on. Because I know that you marketers are going to be master of the universe. So you know what? Do me a favor, like, comment, let me know what you think. about the video. Let me know if I missed something out. If you want me to do some more extra stuff about Camtasia, I have no problem in helping you, because you are the master of your universe and you are the marketer that was born to be a star. So do me a favor, like, share, comment on the video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.